Hey everyone. All right. Uh, क्या कह रहा है ये आरसी आपका? Back in the good old days, many of the 2000 or so people attend fashion shows. ओह फिर से ये लंदन का एक पैसेज है. Since Trump, New York has gone to the dogs. अच्छा, okay. A lot of data looks nice to me. Designers and their houses and all. मुझे ऐसे passages अच्छे लगते हैं. Like compared to those dense philosophical ones, जिसमें एकदम ऐसा packed, एकदम densely packed paragraphs होते हैं. मुझे वो उतने अच्छे नहीं लगते हैं. I really like these because these are easy to understand. These are connected with what is happening in the world around you. Okay, so champagne, schmoozing, handbag watching किस बारे में है भाई? है क्या मुद्दा क्या है इसका? Even when designers delivered beautiful films, okay, due to bickering kids, okay, something. Digital fashion shows, maybe it's talking about fashion culture. Always been about the crowd, okay. Yeah, maybe it's about that. अभी देखते हैं. यहाँ फैब्रिक वैब्रिक है ना, कनेक्टेड टू फैशन एंड कल्चर. क्वेश्चंस कैसे हैं? मेरे लिए एब्सोल्युटली इंपॉर्टेंट टू गो एंड फर्स्ट ग्लांस एट द क्वेश्चंस बिकॉज दैट नॉलेज हेल्प्स मी अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू हैंडल माय पैसेज. Okay, now the author is romanticizing the mourning. अरे options में क्यों जा रही हूँ? Question: which of these is true with regards to the mourning associated with this? Mourning specific. True, एक true. F. ये भाई स्क्रिबलिंग शीट यहाँ पे रहती है. You just need to note it down. Otherwise you're going to forget this. Even this, ये specific. ठीक है, ये दिमाग एकदम क्लियर रहता है मेरा. अच्छा पेपर पे स्पेसिफिक है. TTTF, cool. Sorry, TFFF in this case. True, false. Next, which of these would the author most likely agree on? So we are looking for one true. Okay, F. Again, agree on, right? This can be connected with the conclusion. Then, which of these, if true, would challenge the author's central argument? Main idea निकालना है पहले. CR, we can. मेन आइडिया तो जनरली आसानी से ही निकल जाता है. अगर जिन लोगों ने भी मेरे साथ की है क्लासेस मेन आइडिया की प्रैक्टिस किया है आपने, यू आर गोइंग टू बी एबल टू डू इट. ओके, विच ऑफ दीज वुड फॉर्म द मोस्ट एप्ट टाइटल? ओ जबरदस्त. आई होप अच्छे ऑप्शंस हो इसमें. देखते हैं अभी क्या है. टाइटल का क्वेश्चन भी देयर इज अ सर्टेन टेक्निक जिससे निकल जाता है. ओके, सो आई वुड लव टू डू दिस सेकंड. मेन आइडिया निकल जाएगा तो टाइटल विल बी वेरी इजी. ओके, ये दो हो गए, फिर बाकी दोनों. अब आप सोच के देखो, यहाँ पे मेन आइडिया है, टाइटल है, राइट? उसका तो एक सर्टेन टेक्निक है, कहां कहां से पढ़ना है, कितना कितना उठाना है. अग्री ऑन, ट्रू, 3F. मॉर्निंग, दिस इज स्पेसिफिक. लेट्स से आई वांट टू टेक अप 3 क्वेश्चंस फर्स्ट. मॉर्निंग वाला, मेन आइडिया एंड टाइटल. डू यू थिंक आई नीड टू रीड दैट एक्सटेंसिव पैसेज? नो, बेवकूफी होगी वो फिर. ठीक है, चलिए. अभी है क्या, पहले ये तो जानना तो जरूरी है ना. आई एम गोइंग टू रीड दिस मच फॉर श्योर, क्योंकि ये इतना चुन्नू सा फर्स्ट पैरा है, उसमें क्या ही बताया होगा. I'll extend it to this. ठीक है, एक्सटेंड करके ये भी थोड़ा सा इंक्लूड कर लेंगे एंड देन देखते हैं कि समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं. Back in the good old days, many of the 2000 or so people who were employed to attend fashion shows relished mourning about them. Relished, they loved groaning and mourning about them. Mourning means something bad. Lamenting. There's barely anything fresh. Okay, since Trump, New York has gone to the dogs. How long do we have to stay here? Oh, it's such a pain. So they loved mourning about them. They did not hate, right? Paris smells and the traffic, my God. So these were the moans, the complaints that people came up with. But author का मुद्दा क्या भाई, क्यों बता रहा है तू ये? This year the mourners have been silenced. Okay, something different is happening this year. Okay, the pandemic cancelled what is already being described as the traditional fashion show. It has now become impossible to contemplate spending 20 minutes assessing fancy clothes, sitting shoulder to shoulder with hundreds of people. Okay, although at least they tend to kiss the air. Okay, so this year it has stopped completely. Why? Because of the pandemic. So it's like, cancel something, traditional fashion show. You cannot sit next to sit next to other people and kind of judge what kind of clothes people are wearing. This seems frivolous now. Okay, so they have been silenced. बस आगे मैं नहीं पढ़ूंगी भाई. स्किमिंग कैसे होगी अभी आप देखो. रिप्लेसिंग द शैंपेन एंड द स्मूजिंग, हैंडबैग वॉचिंग, ये सब आप देख रहे हो कि क्या वो फैशन शो में क्या हो रहा है. ओके, वी नाउ हैव डिजिटल फैशन वीक. इस चीज पे आ गया ये. So this para is talking about digital fashion week. Easy to understand. This was hyped. Okay, come up with something else. Right? Then these films were released in the something. So digital fashion week now we have got. यहाँ पे इसने पैंडमिक का ला के बोला ये तो बंद हो गया अब जो बाकी ये जो होते थे फैशन शोज. Right? Some of the results were pretty good. Digital fashion week का. Now he is assessing it. The culture, the new culture. Some of the results were pretty good and now he's going to explain what results. मैं क्यों पढ़ूं? ये blah. Right? Next. Yet even when designers delivered beautiful films, अभी तो बोला ना उसने पिछला. Some of the results were good. Attending these was rarely anything other than awful. At first I thought it would be like going from theatre to cinema, less visceral than watching in real life, but still capable of touching the viewer. ये है ना, ये देख रहे हो, इससे ऑथर का टोन पता चल जा रहा है. Still capable of touching the viewer. If only, alas, ऐसा टाइप का टोन है. Right? So the author was sitting at home and trying to watch this digital fashion week. ये समझ में आ रहा है मुझे. And he says, if only. नहीं हो पाया. Delivered beautiful films. ये कैसे और भी पता चला कि टोन कैसे है. In the previous para he is praising it. But then he says yet, even. Okay, so if only. Alas, बहुत बकवास था. Now he explains what was happening while he was watching. Whether it was due to my bickering kids, this, okay. I rarely got through a show without being forced to leave it in a fluster. Upset. ये सब बकवास, मुझे प्रादा वराडा नहीं जानना है. Even when they are uninterrupted, I understand that in this para, it was full of interruptions. Uska watching. वो कह रहा है, even if they are uninterrupted, simply cannot transmit what the physical versions can. Finished, नहीं पढ़ रही. And fashion has always been about the crowd. Mainly तो आप crowd के लिए वो होते हैं ना, vibes जो आती हैं आपकी. आप अकेले बैठ के क्या ही देख लोगे. There's the point of following it, okay, piece of wonder, trying to feel excited, okay. You have to be swimming in the pack with all others feeling the flow. अब यहाँ पे अगर आप में से कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट करता है कि मैम अपना करके निकल ले रही है, पढ़ नहीं रही, तो भाई मेरा क्वेश्चन है, तुम अपने आप को क्यों सी बना रहे हो बाय रीडिंग एवरीथिंग. राइट? क्यों कर रहे हो अपने साथ ये ज्यादती क्यों कर रहे हो, बेवकूफियां क्यों कर रहे हो, किसके पढ़ाए हुए हो आप? ये मैं चैलेंज करके यहाँ पे पूछ रही हूँ. ये यहाँ पे बोल रहा है भाई फैशन हैज ऑलवेज बीन अबाउट द क्राउड, और ये भाई करके आप ब्ला 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 देख लो. लास्ट में भी कह रहा है यू हैव टू बी स्विमिंग इन द पैक विद ऑल द अदर्स. दिस पैरा इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द क्राउड, और ऑथर कह रहा है इट्स ऑल अबाउट द क्राउड. फैशन वीक्स का चार्म जो होता है, कोई बेवकूफ है जो पढ़ेगा बीच का पोर्शन. राइट? द ट्रेडिशनल विल बी रीमेड. Traditional. Author is like longing for it. Traditional आएगा. I can't wait to be back, fully appreciative of the privilege. ये पैरा देख रहे हो, ये मैं word for word पढ़ूंगी. The traditional will be remade. I can't wait to be back, fully appreciative of the privilege of being in the physical presence. I need to be there. And if we have to sit far apart from each other and wear masks as we watch, okay, ऐसा अगर हुआ तो so be it, कोई बात नहीं, फिर भी हम बैठ के वहां कर लेंगे. Maybe the distance and the fabric will even muffle all that stupid mourning. ये क्या कह रहा है कि वो जब हम पहले इतना मोन करते थे ना, कंप्लेन करते थे, शिकायतें करते थे, तो जो ये फैब्रिक हमारे मुंह पे लगा होगा ना, मे बी दैट विल काइंड ऑफ मफल इट. कम सुनाई देगा उससे, हो सकता है, लेकिन फिर भी आई वांट टू बी देयर. So what does the author want? He wants to go back to the physical thing because he feels ये डिजिटल हुआ है जो भी हुआ है, और यहाँ इसने थोड़ी सी उसकी तारीफ भी की है, results, but still he is not satisfied. That's it. इतना ही तो है इस पैसेज में. Such a passage should require not more than 80 to 90 seconds. That's it. Finished. और अगर बीच में आप पढ़ने बैठ गए तो फिर कोई बात नहीं, आपकी मर्जी, आप पढ़ लो जितना पढ़ना है. Alright? Okay. Next. चलो क्वेश्चंस पे चलते हैं. पहले तो मैं मेन आइडिया को वीकेंड पे जाऊंगी. मेन आइडिया निकालना है इसके लिए. सो दिस इज सो गुड. आई मीन आपको टेस्ट में भी अगर मेन आइडिया का वीकनिंग स्ट्रेंथनिंग आता है ना, प्लीज टेक दैट क्वेश्चन. Taking out the main idea is something that I have been hammering into your heads for the last, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 months. सबने सीखा है मेरे साथ. Would challenge the author's central argument. Central argument क्या है भाई इनका? Central argument is, यार, एक मिनट guys. I will call you back very soon. Sorry, there was an urgent call coming in. Okay. Now, question 3, ठीक है. So, central argument of the passage is what? He wants to go back, right? So, people do not have to make tiresome journeys to big cities if fashion shows go digital. The tone is happy with digital. Eliminated. Not everyone has a family to attend to all the time at home. बकवास. फैमिली का तो मुद्दा ही नहीं है वहां पर. वो तो एक पैरा था. The author was disturbed and distracted by these things. Crowds would never be as lively after COVID as it was before. Okay, COVID. People would continue to mourn even if they sit at a distance. Now, बीच बीच में ये मत भूल जाना कि हम सेंट्रल आर्ग्यूमेंट नहीं निकाल रहे हैं. वी आर ट्राइंग टू वीकन इट. तो वीकन के लिए भी तो सेंट्रल आइडिया तो चाहिए ना, मेन आइडिया तो चाहिए. So people do not have to make tiresome journeys if fashion shows go digital. ऑथर ने बुराई की है डिजिटल की, इसको हम रख सकते हैं. पहले इसको हमने ना ऐसे एलिमिनेट किया. अच्छा हाँ, ये तो नहीं बोल रहा, दिस इज नैरो. बट वी हैव टू टेक आउट द मेन आइडिया दैट्स कनेक्टेड विद डिजिटल. उसको पसंद नहीं आया एंड ही वांट्स क्राउड्स. Right? So we'll keep those options that are connected with digital and crowd. ये out of scope, not even connected with the main idea, तो उसको देख के भी फायदा नहीं है. People would continue to mourn even if they sit at a distance. Was the claim about mourning? Not exactly. So I'm left with A and C. I hope you understood the elimination. Now, look at the difference between the two. ठीक है? Crowds would never be as lively after COVID as it was before. He says we want to go back because it's all about the crowd, it's all about the vibes, it's all about rubbing shoulders with the who is who of the city, it's all about feeling the fabric in person, it's all about seeing the lively vibes and all. हम इसमें कह रहे हैं crowds would never be as lively जो आप expect कर रहे हैं. Going back to that, author has said in the end, यहाँ पे mourning will be subdued or mourning will be drowned out, maybe because of the fabric muffle. It will sound as a muffle maybe, but the author is still looking forward to going back to the crowds, right? He says it's all about the crowd, bola hai usne. So C weakens the main claim completely. It says it would never be as it would never be as lively after COVID जैसा पहले था जो आपको आदत थी. Now when you go back, it's not going to be like the way it was earlier, right? So this weakens it. Why not A? People do not have to make tiresome journeys to big cities if fashion shows go digital. Okay. This is weakening your claim by saying digital का फायदा क्या है, right? So the claim was not whether digital का फायदा है ये है. This is like, weakening it directly because the author keeps ranting about crowds, about the lively feeling, about like, kind of being there and feeling the presence of everything around him. Last para completely वो बोला है. So this one weakens it, but only an angle of it, only a part of it. People do not have to make journeys if shows go digital. This does not weaken the big claim. The big claim is mainly about this. So this should be your answer. This is justified and I like this question because in this there was a tug of war between the last two options. तभी तो मजा आएगा ना solve करने का. Okay, so ये हो गया आपका. Then we go to this, title. ठीक है. So, which of these would form the most apt title for the essay? Title का technique क्या होता है ये समझो. Title का technique is main idea and the first line of every para. ठीक है? That is how you come up with the title. सबसे पहले तो you look at the options and then you kind of eliminate something that is very narrow or very broad. Impact of COVID eliminated. It's talking about fashion shows in the post-COVID era, right? So, the post-COVID changes. What changes? Digital world versus real world, bakwas. So, there is only one that talks about fashion show, right? So, this is pretty cool. इसमें आपको ज़्यादा मेहनत भी नहीं करनी पड़ी. Fate of digital fashion show. Fate is not extreme because fate means what is going to happen to digital shows. Okay, so digital fashion show. Fashion word should have been there in your answer. As simple as that. ठीक है, so this is the answer. ये हो गया आपका. Then we'll go back to this one. Which of these is true with regards to the mourning? First para, People used to mourn and they used to relish mourning, right? So the author is romanticizing the mourning of the past. I'll keep this. The author considers those who mourned as stupid. No, this is kind of extreme. The author hopes that post-COVID fashion shows with physical distancing. Huh. Yeah. Sorry about that. Oh, चाय आ रही थी मेरी. The author hopes that post-COVID fashion shows with physical distancing will not have too much mourning. Okay? Post-COVID fashion shows with physical distancing will not have too much mourning. Okay? Mourning, not mourning, not sure. I'll keep this. Digital fashion shows are dull because of the lack of mourning. Are they dull only because they lack mourning? No. He says it was all about sitting there and getting the vibes, right? So this can be eliminated. I'm left with A and C. Now, go back to the mourning thing. This employed relished mourning about them, barely anything fresh, okay, blah blah, silenced. Yahi tak hai mourning. And then he comes up with mourning again here. He says, so be it, maybe the distance and fabric will even muffle all that stupid mourning. He calls mourning stupid. He doesn't call those people stupid. So वो फर्क है उसमें. ठीक है, वो जो एक ऑप्शन दिया है. Will even muffle all the stupid mourning. लोगों को खुशी होती थी, the relished. And then he says कि वो mask से शायद वो cover हो जाएगा. Right? Taking these, I go back. I'm left with A and C. The author is romanticizing the mourning of the past. Is he glorifying it? Is he happy about it? Is he saying that, wow, the mourning was great. Because of that, you got the vibes. Had that been the case, he would not have said in the end that, okay, maybe, the mask will help to muffle and drown out the mourning sounds. Right? So he's not romanticizing it. This is eliminated. I'm left with C. C पढ़ के देखते हैं. The author hopes, yes, बिल्कुल he hopes post-COVID, physical distancing will not have too much mourning. बोला है ना उसने end में कि maybe they will be drowned out because of those masks. They will be muffled. Yeah, this will muffle that stupid mourning, right? So C is clearly the answer. And question 2. Which of these would the author agree on? Bhai, connect it with the last para. Okay, agree on, disagree on, generally conclusion and main idea se connect hota hai. Digital fashion shows are made awful. Awful. Okay, थोड़ा extreme sound कर रहा है. Devoid of nature, digital fashion shows are shot in closed artificial space. Is he unhappy with digital fashion shows because of this reason? No. He says it's because of ये. कहाँ गया? Cannot transmit physical versions. ये. Fun. ये. Not because of the nature thing. Right. So this is eliminated. Okay. Digital fashion shows are too boring to be seen at one go. Incomplete. Too boring. चारों में मुझे अजीब अजीब से वर्ड्स इसमें दिख रहे हैं. Made awful. नेचर वाला तो definitely eliminated. Digital fashion shows are too boring to be seen at one go. At one go. Too boring तो मैं समझ सकती हूँ, but at one go. So digital fashion shows are too boring at one go. That means the author is saying fashion shows should be punctuated. They should be broken into parts. There should be some kind of distraction in between. इतना एक साथ too boring to be seen at one go. Okay? And digital fashion shows are incomplete. Now, incomplete, obviously this is the best one of the lot. Why? Because he says there is something missing. The people are missing. The crowd is missing. The vibes are missing. So they are there. And he praises digital fashion show here. Pretty good. So you cannot go with options such as awful and all. क्योंकि फिर pretty good क्यों बोलता? So he says, yes, they are there. But then they simply cannot transmit ये. कुछ तो missing है. वो element missing है. That's why this is justified as the answer. The best one of the lot. Okay, hope these are clear, guys. Thank you.